How to log into USAA Online Banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to USAA Bank Online Banking. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for USAA Bank. And after you search for that, you'll find the USAA Bank. You can open that website up and this is what you should see. So right here, all you have to do is head over to this log on button on the top right. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you can then just type in your online ID, whatever your online ID is, then tap on next. After you do that, you can then move on with typing in your password and verifying your account. And after you do that, you'll get logged into your account. There you can see the password section. Simply type that in and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.